Amen. You might first, the vacant seats. Natin eh. Kamu nga mga sisters at the back. Please, we will occupy first the vacant seats. Dali, abat ni. Ayaw mo kanto. As I said a while ago, the coverage of our examination is from message 9 to 16 with multiple choice and maybe napoy enumeration. Kung naka-memorize mo sa outline, wala na pinahanglaan na pang mabalaka. Ano lang? Then, kung makakita mo all of the above sa choices, please i-consider na ninyo. Reconsider it. Basta sir. Duko na po. Then, ayaw lang anak.
Nanay, ballpen tanan?
God, umili.